In this video, we will show you how to replace your battery hold down bracket on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly above your battery. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To start removing the battery hold down bracket, you'll find on each side of the battery, you have a battery hold down bolt. We'll be using an 8mm for each one of these. As you remove your hardware, just give it a quick inspection. Make sure it is still reusable. Remove the bracket from your battery. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install that battery hold down bracket. We will take this and put it right across the center of the battery. Once you've done that, continue on with your two battery hold down mounting bolts. We'll start each of them in before we snug either of them. This one's a little harder to get lined up with the hole. Okay, I've got both of them started. We'll snug it up. When you're tightening this bracket, you want to ensure that you're only putting enough pressure on the battery that it cannot move around on you while you're driving down the road. Okay friends, we fully installed our battery hold down bracket. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.